Hey guys, welcome back. This is Textatronics. I'm up with a new video on how to fix the black screen, that is your display capture. This video is specific for people who have laptops of 1366 into 678, that is this display resolution. So if you have a problem on this on OBS, like for example I show you my OBS, this is the place where I have installed my OBS, that yours may be in the C drive, mine is in the D drive. Okay, so here as I've opened OBS, I click on plus and I click on display capture, click on OK, and you find the screen. You don't have any option, nothing. So if this problem you are facing, you're on the right page. As I have faced this problem since 2 months, and after 2 months I have got this solution. So this is great to share. I'm going to share all the tips and tricks regarding this, so stay tuned and watch till the end. First what we do is, if suppose we are getting this issue, so I remove and yes, and then I close it. Okay, so guys, you have found out a lot of fixes on YouTube, saying go on the shortcut, then right click, open file location. When you click on open file location, you come up to the same page as I showed you. So this is the same page which you can see. So now what we do is right click on this, go in properties. In properties you'll find compatibility, then you'll get a compatibility mode. So click on run, go to Windows 7 and then even tick mark this, run this program as an administrator, and click on apply and OK. And then once again we open it. So as you see, OBS has opened up. We click on plus once again, go on display capture, click on OK. We find the same. So this is regarding only 136768 resolution. So this display resolution usually gets this problem. So now if suppose this too is not working, so guys, this is for the people who want to live with the problem and it's fine, that's no issue, but still want to record games and don't have issue of recording maybe a presentation or a screen, nothing like that. So to resolve this, I have two games out here. One is PUBG and one is Hitman 2. So these two games I'm going to show you, even though living with the problem, how to function it properly. So I click on game capture. So first I'm going to show for Hitman 2 and I click on OK. No sooner I click on OK, you find here capture full screen application, but click on capture specific window. When you click on capture specific window, you'll find here options. So if I click on Hitman, so you'll find Hitman come up here. It may take some time, it may take maybe 2 minutes or maybe a minute, but it will come. So no sooner I click on OK, I'll find my game is working here. Okay, the second part is I'm going to show you if you want to put PUBG. So the same thing we try with PUBG. We go here, click on specific window, click on PUBG Lite, and we wait again for 2 minutes. But you find no response. So PUBG, if you get this as a problem, what you can do is go on PUBG, you'll find in your graphics windowed, so click make it windowed. Now usually PUBG will be on full screen, or any other game, just not PUBG, any other game will have these options of window and full screen. So remove it from full screen, put it on windowed, and then you apply, click on apply, then once again go back to your OBS. Once you go back to your OBS, it is started. Why? Because I had put the same thing on Windows, specific window capture, and I clicked on PUBG. No sooner I put on windowed, it starts capturing. So this is the one trick which you can use. Even if you click on window capture, okay, and you'll find it will automatically capture the window because you have put the game on windowed mode. And once you put on windowed mode, you can just go to PUBG, you can go to borderless or full screen. Like suppose borderless, I go, click on apply, then I click on apply, then again I go to my OBS and I have the same thing screen. So what you can do is you can trick OBS like this by putting on Windows and then changing the setting to borderless. It will still capture. So these two are the tricks which I showed you. But now for people who want to really solve the problem and get full access of OBS, which is completely free. So now it's your turn. Close OBS. I'll just close down both these games. So guys, we are on OBS now. So the games have been closed. So you see here your start. Just right click and go to system. Listen, you go to system. So just click on the search tab. Type in graphics, GRAP. Okay, you find your graphics settings. Just click on graphics settings. So in graphics settings, just click on browse. No sooner you click on your browse, you'll find this. Okay, so when you find this, so what you will do is just go to your place where you have installed your OBS, that is your C drive in the programs file. Usually it is installed there. So right click, go in properties. Here you'll find location. So just select this location, copy, and come here, click on this side and right click, paste. Okay, then click on enter. You'll come up to this page. Now what you'll do is click on OBS application and click on add. As soon as you click on add, you will find this box here. So what you'll do is go in options and click on power saving mode. Power saving mode usually takes it to the Intel graphics, that is which you can see here. See here, power saving mode, GPU goes to Intel graphics. So you click on power saving mode and save. And now when we open our OBS, we click on OBS and open it once again. So once your OBS is open, click on this plus once again, click on display capture, click on OK, and here you go, you have successfully done this. So this solution is for the display resolution of 1366 into 768 resolution display. The people who have this, you will have to do this step to find out and crack in all the features of OBS. So guys, this was the video. Thank you very much. If this has helped, please give a big like and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.